Assalamu alaikum. So we've got a great question here. Tax relief on conventional savings. I found an account with a conventional bank that lets you claim back 5% of the deposited amount from the government as tax relief. Is this halal? So I don't know what country this brother or sister is living in, but I'm going to talk about this from a Canadian context. And the main thing to keep in mind on whether or not this account at the bank is halal or haram is what's going to happen with your money once it gets deposited, right? So at most conventional banks, once your money gets deposited, they're going to lend it out to other people and then pay you some form of interest, or they're going to invest it in a GIC or something like this. These are interest bearing. These are impermissible in Islam. However, the concept of putting money into an account that saves you on taxes here in Canada is, of course, halal. You just have to make sure that when you're doing it, it's being done in a halal way. So what does that mean? So in Canada, we have something called the first-time homebuyer saving account. You can put money in there and it goes against how much income you've earned. So if you earn, let's say, $50,000 a year and you put $8,000 into an FHSA, instead of the government taxing the full $50,000 you've earned, now they're only going to tax you $42,000. So you end up saving $2,000-$3,000 on taxes there. Similarly, we have an RRSP, right? Same kind of thing. You get contribution every year based on your income. If you make $50,000, let's just say you contribute $10,000 to your RSP instead of the government taxing $50,000, they'll tax $40,000, so you save up $3,000-$4,000 on taxes there. Both of these accounts, in theory, are halal. It just depends on what happens with your money once it's in the account. So at a conventional bank, once again, very likely it's going to be invested in something interest-bearing, but there are people and places that do halal financial advising that can help you set these accounts up and make sure the money inside is taken care of in a halal way. So you can save on those taxes and get some halal profit while you're at it. I hope this answers your question, brother. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.